Hello, my name is Carlos Andres Sanchez Vergara. My story life. A day like today, like yesterday, like any other, in the beautiful city of singers Curramba la Bella, Barranquilla. While my father was having a party, my mother was in the delivery room and a beautiful baby was born, named Carlos Andres. Carlos by the name of my dad and Andres by a name from the Bible. As time went by, I was growing, learning and playing daily. My parents never had a home together and I spent it from house to house, don't misunderstand. I mean some time at my mother's house and another time at my father's house. Until a certain point when I entered school, I lived during the week with my paternal grandmother. My father worked and my mother lived with her mother, my other grandmother. The weekend was spent with my mother and it was a good time in my life. I was the darling of my whole family, that is my grandparents, my aunts and my parents. In school and college, I was doing well. I always had excellent academic performance, although to socialize and behave well, I was not very good. A few years passed, and my paternal grandmother inciso, took me to Enciso Santander. There I lived part of my childhood and was happy. I began to socialize and I have good friends. We like to go for a walk, go to the river and play cards. We play poker. Then I live with my mother in Barranquilla for a while. There I have a good time with many friends. Although the relationship with my mother, my stepfather, and my brother was not so good, so I want to entertain myself in wherever it was so hard not to be at home. I had a school class in the afternoon and in the morning depending on the day. I was in athletics, teatro and music and on the weekends I went to hip hop events. Then I got tired of arguments and fights with my mother and I returned to Enciso Santander with my grandmother. My grandmother got sick and has not worked since then. I did my last year in this little town, then I enrolled in university. Thank God they gave me an scholarship. I met an excellent person who accompanies me today. I am working, studying, and on the other and arming, supporting, and moving forward with my family so that they understand me better. My wife and her son, although he considers me his father and I love him very much, he are a very happy family. Thank you.